Hey friends, I'm Sherry with SheriTV and we're so happy to be here doing a triple unboxing today. Today we're unboxing the Speakeasy Box from GlobeIn, which I've been waiting for months and months, meaning that I wanted this particular choice and now I get to finally do it. We're also going to be unboxing the PuraVida monthly bracelet club and an IPSY Glam Bag Plus, but first we're going to go right into my GlobeIn subscription because I gotta tell you, I'm really excited about the Speakeasy Box. Looks a little bit like this. There's your little spoiler. It's got a shaker and some coupe glasses and a tray. And this is a martini lover's dream box. I don't know what's in here, but we're gonna, ooh, yes, it's the martini shaker. We're not wasting any time with this one. Oh, this is so pretty. Funny story, the only martini shaker that I have in my bar cart is miniature. It's really small. So this is a beautiful full-size gold martini shaker. Wow. I want to let you know where this one was made as well. So cool. It looks like the items in this box were made in India and Mexico. And I believe that this one was made in India by Mod Mirage. It says it's time to break out your favorite spirits, mixers, and ice, whether you take it neat or on the rocks. The Art Deco fan shaker is for you. So this is, look at it. Let's open it right up. We'll take off the top first. Oh, it's a little bit tough. It might be sealed, so I think I'll have to open that later. But you get the general idea. I just don't want to struggle with it too much on camera. Actually, I think I'll leave that here. We can take that out of the way though if you want. Okay, let's see what's next in here for the Speakeasy Box. I wonder if maybe, just maybe, this might be the tray. Excited about this one. We're literally unboxing it for the first time together, so thank you for your patience, everybody. Ah, wow. This is much bigger than I thought. Okay. Oh, how cute, you guys. The gold handles kind of match the shaker. It's coming together. Oh, I love this. It's so cute. Can't wait to see it all come together. Next, I think we must have our coupe glasses in here. And we have some cocktail stirrers coming up too. So let's go ahead and get this big old box out of the way so that I'm not in danger of bumping our microphone. Sorry for all the banging, but that's what happens when you're doing an unboxing. Unboxing and banging kind of go together. Okay, first one's coming out. I think this is the coupe glass, number 1. This would make such a good gift, wouldn't it? For a host or hostess who loves to make martinis. All right, oh my goodness, you guys. Would you look at this? Isn't that beautiful? Okay, I'm thinking not just martinis for this, but without a doubt, this would be perfect for someone who loves margaritas. This is almost like a cross between a martini coupe and a margarita glass. Oh, so pretty. Okay, let's take out the second one. It should be exactly the same with, of course, little variations just based on how it was manufactured. I hope that you can see the iridescence of this as well as I can, but when I pulled it out, it was just all of these gorgeous colors. Wow, that is so pretty. This is feeling very luxurious. All right, let's get out the cocktail picks. Oh, they're so pretty. So everything has kind of got this luxe gold look, and you can put your little olive through this, place it right on top of your martini or your margarita. You could put a slice of orange or lime. This is just absolutely beautiful. Let me hold it up and show you the whole kit now, very, very gently, very carefully. There it is. Isn't that beautiful? I have been waiting for the Speakeasy Box, and I'm so glad that I finally got to check it out. So I want to tell you about the discount code for this particular box for GlobeIn, which is a sustainable subscription that supports artisans all around the world. You get 50% off the first box in a 3-month subscription using the code CruiseGear and our link. I will put all of that in the description below, so you, again, don't need to worry about taking notes or anything. I will lay it all out for you, but it is a wonderful, wonderful organization that partners with artisans to support safe working conditions and fair wages, which means a lot to us. Very happy with this and so excited that I finally got to use it. Gotta think of a fun way to try it out for the first time. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up our IPSY Glam Bag this month. I am an IPSY Glam Bag Plus member. There's 3 levels. You've got Glam Bag Plus, and Glam Bag X. I actually paused my subscription for April because in May I want to splurge and get the Glam Bag X. So I figured I'd save a little bit of money, pause the subscription, but for now, this is 5 items a month. They're always full size and they always come in a pretty bag. This was the bag for March. Not sure if there's anything in there. Oh, there is. This is kind of a nice double-lined bag, and right on the inside it says, "Confidence comes from within." Very nice, very pretty. Okay, so one of the cool things about IPSY Glam Bag Plus is that you get to do what's called ultra personalization. So you get to choose several of the items that come in your bag each month, and you also get to select some add-ons. So I got to choose quite a few of the items in here, and the other thing I would recommend that you do is if you subscribe to IPSY, make sure that you get the app, because the app shows you all of the items that are coming and lots of information about those different items. So I'm going to tell you about the first item that I chose, which is this Kosas tinted face oil. It's almost like a blend between a face oil and a foundation. This one is tone 03. I'm very curious about this because I don't know how a face oil and a foundation are going to play together, but we're about to find out. So let's put a tiny bit of this on the back of my hand. Okay, it's really thin. I can tell you that right away. It's sort of, when you put a little drop of it on, it starts to kind of run. So I think what I might want to do is shake it up a little bit better. Yes, I should have done that. You can hear the little shakers in there. I'll put it close to the microphone. It has something in there to make sure that you're shaking it thoroughly. So let's try it again and see if we get a little more pigment out of it this time. Yes, a bit more pigmented that time. Can you see that? Okay. Oh, I'm really intrigued by this, especially we're still in winter. We still have kind of that dry skin. I'm going to rub it in all over the back of my hand and kind of show you how much coverage we get. You're definitely getting a nice oily kind of a look. So here it is side by side with the other hand. This is the hand with the foundation on it, and this is the hand without. So you can kind of see the tint and the oiliness of it. Very, very intrigued. And that's kind of what I like about IPSY Glam Bag Plus is you oftentimes get to experiment with full-size products that you've never tried before. And so it kind of keeps my expenditures down on cosmetics because I'm always getting full sizes, so I have to buy less, and I also discover a lot of great things. So I chose this item in the ultra personalization. That was the first item. I also picked this unique one. This is the Risque Brow and Lash Sparkle Topper in Drama. So my understanding of this, and I'm going to click on my app, I'm going to click on Learn so I can learn how to do it. My understanding, here's what it looks like out. I'll tell you what it says that it does. Love a full brow and fluffy lashes? Now is time to kick it up a notch. This lightweight tinted topper has a hint of multicolor sparkle in true Gaga fashion that will take your brow gel or mascara to the next level. So let's put a little bit on the lashes. I'm sure you won't be able to see much happening from here, but I'll check it out in the mirror afterwards and we'll see if we get just a little bit of sparkle. Again, I never would have purchased this for myself, so it's exciting to get a product that's totally new to me. Okay, let me go back in the app really quickly, because I want to remember which items I chose and which ones were sent to me. Okay, so one item that was sent to me that I didn't request is this Heavenly Skin IT Cosmetics Smoothing Complexion Brush. I'm not sure if it's going to be easy enough to open to take it out, but I don't think it is. But you can see that it's a slightly angled brush, and I believe that you could use this for things like applying your primer or your foundation. Great, always nice to have another quality product. And I love IT Cosmetics. Koa Life Brightening Vitamin C Cleanser was sent to me. I did not choose this item, but I always love cleansers. This is also travel size. Even though they usually send full-size products, this one's a little bit small. Now, I don't know if it's small because it's ultra concentrated, but I have a little spring break trip that I'm considering, and I'm going to welcome a travel size item this time. Okay, my last item that I actually chose is something that I've been wanting to try anyhow, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel. Have you guys tried this one? I hear that this is like a cult favorite. This is a full-size product. I'm probably not going to try it on in case it's a little too dark for me. I want to make sure that I check it out in advance. But it says, made with an ultra-precise cone-shaped brush and waterproof formula, a few swipes of this gel add volume, definition, and structure, and a natural-looking tint to brow hairs that lasts for 12 hours. Comb it through your brows in the same direction your hairs grow naturally. And I do believe that this color, the soft brown, was customized to me. So I'll kind of pull it out and we can see what it's like on the wand. Just give you a general idea. I'll try this a little bit later so I don't end up with like one crazy Frankenstein brow, just in case. Very pretty, very useful IPSY box this year. I'm pleased with it. Next up, the bracelet subscription that I can just not get enough of. I love that IPSY is also now allowing you to choose. Most months you get to pick between 2 different bracelet trios, and that is really fun. I think that this might be my February subscription, if I'm not mistaken. And look at this darling trio of bracelets. If you can't see it, the middle bracelet says happy. Adorable. I love this. It's so colorful. It would actually fit perfectly with what I'm wearing right now, but I'm going to give you a better look at this. Okay, so we have a traditional kind of mustardy, almost orange braided bracelet here on the bottom, and then a beaded bracelet that says happy, and a coordinating custom designed beaded bracelet up top. Very beautiful. I like it when they step outside of their comfort zone with different colors. I have 0 items from them that are that mustard and pastel combination, so I like it. It appears that there is a bonus bracelet in here this month too. This is so pretty, you guys. It's a little seahorse. Look at that. How pretty. I didn't know this was coming. It was a total surprise. There was a 4th bracelet in there. So yeah, PuraVida does continue to delight and thrill me every month. I've never disliked, that I can think of, a month with my PuraVida bracelets, and it's $15 a month. It's money well spent. But I do want to go back just for a moment to what I consider the star of the show today. Again, this is the Speakeasy Box from GlobeIn, which is just the most awesome subscription. It's something totally new and different. And with GlobeIn, you do get to select what you want sent to you every month, and there are so very many choices for you. They're not always going to be kitchen items. You're also going to find things for the bathroom, for your home. 1 month I got a fondue box. I have received a few beautiful pitcher sets, but I like bar items, so for me that's great. They also have a lot of gorgeous cooking items too, and so many different things for the home. So if you're looking for a new type of a subscription that supports artisans all around the world, this is a good one to try, and you can go back and watch some of our other unboxings to get a general idea for the feel. Thank you so much for hanging out with us for our monthly unboxing. We hope all of you are doing great. We are going to link to some of our Amazon shopping events down in the description of this video because we have some really fun things coming, and can't wait to have you join us in the chat over there. Until then, go do something beautiful.